In front of me is Oppo A54s, and let me show you how to set up camera timer on this device. So first of all, you need to open your camera app, then click on this slider to open more functions, and you will find timer here. So now just pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 10 seconds, and now smoothly grab a photo. So this is it. This is how you can activate and use camera timer. And that's it. To switch it off, just tap on settings again. On slider again, and tap on off this first icon, and now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.